Welcome again to our awesome video. Today, we're exploring the super interesting world of artificial intelligence and how it can totally change how we make websites. Get ready to see the amazing things AI can do as we teach you how to make a really cool website with just one click. It's going to be really exciting. If you want to learn about AI and want to be a smart person, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. At first, open any browser and search for durable.co. And you can check the link on the description. After searching, click on the first link. Okay, let's make a website using this AI tool. You need to click on this button. There are 3 steps for making website. Number 1, you need to type the industry name. I am making website about animal care, and click on the next button. Step 2, put a location. And last step, you need to put your name or business name. And just click on the Generate Website button. Wait for processing. Wow, finally our website is ready. Let's check it. The website is very awesome. You can generate using this tool. You can customize and regenerate from here. If you want to customize, you need to sign up using your Gmail account. I already have an account. You can make all kinds of websites and you can publish your website. We will bring similar AI-related videos. Hope you will like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you again.